Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I'm here with my old lady beagle. This is Janetti, and we're feeding her some milk bones. And I'm going to show you how much she hates getting her nails trimmed and she hates getting her hair cut. But this thing is so quiet, she hardly notices it. Janetti, I can give her a few treats. She's not too annoyed. But the really cool aspect to this is you can even trim your dog's nails with it. And I'm going to show you that here in a moment as well. So it has a cool nail trimming device that's going to keep them, and stay right there, sweetie. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, that's fine. How easy is that? Like, look, she's not even squirming or anything. Pretty comfortable with it, but I think the milk bones are helping. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. All right, folks, let me go ahead and show you this 9-piece pet grooming kit. It has interchangeable heads, and it's not just good for hair, but it's also good for nails. So this is really fantastic. The heads just come off easily. You can see I've used it quite a bit. And first, I'm going to show you the 3 different sizes of the heads that you use for grooming purposes, okay? First, you have the Papa Bear right here. Absolutely incredible. Let me go ahead and show you. There we go. We've got the Mama Bear, medium-sized, and of course the Baby Bear for whatever your dog and pet needs are. Okay. Then from there, each of these has a guide to where you can adjust the size accordingly. 1, 2. The next one, oh, excuse me, actually, there's 2 more for the Papa Bear. I call it, it's the large size. 3, 4, right? 4 different lengths there. Then we go to the medium size, or the Mama Bear as I'm calling it. And we've got a guide that just clips right on. Doot, doot, doot. Did I get that right? There we go. Clips right on accordingly. It's the medium size, and you got the guide. So you can do it right up to your hair. And then, of course, you've got the small size, which is fantastic as well. And the small size has a little tip on it as well. How cool is that? You can really get some hair trimming done with this. Now the product itself, I gotta show you, has the LED light. It's got 2-hour fast charging. It's AC 220. And of course it does have USB-C for charging, which is the preferred and fast method of charging, to USB-A, which is going to go into pretty much everything. If you can plug your phone into it, well, guess what? If you can charge your phone with it, you can charge your trimmer. Now you're not wasting ducats on batteries. Now on top of all of that, this kit does come with a brush for brushing out the hair and things from your clippers. Let me go ahead and show you that. So it's nice that it comes with a little brush. So smooth, so nice. On top of all of that, I haven't even showed you the best part yet. This guy right here. It's gonna be great for nail trimming. Right, if I can do it on my nails, you can do it on this for big nails or little nails. You got different spots right here, or right here. This can be great for doing your dog's nails, for trimming them up and giving them a little manicure to make sure they're not scratching you after they get their claws cut. I just want you to see, water's not going to destroy it, okay? It's made to where if it gets wet, it's no big deal. The cutting heads can be rinsed underwater, separate from the body when cleaning, and you can use it only after drying completely, okay? It's easy to wash these, okay? You just rinse them into water. The whole thing is water resistant, and you're gonna be able to rinse it into water and let it dry accordingly. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I only show you products that I absolutely love. You know my dog, Jeanette? You saw her earlier. She has a condition where it's called Cushing's. She has Cushing's. And Cushing's is where she makes too much adrenaline. She got that as she got older. Well, guess what? Loud noises and things freak her out. Product noises and things like clippers freak her out. You saw her there. She was fine with it. She was happy. She is afraid of everything. She's 16. She doesn't need to be stressed out. We love our pets. We don't want to stress them out. So what is so nice about this product is that it's quiet. It's relaxing. It's not going to stress out your beautiful pets. I love my Beagle. She's 16 years old. Got her from the Montgomery Humane Society in Montgomery, Alabama. And she was a rescue. And please rescue your dogs. Make sure that they have a home. Take care of them. She's a Beagle mix. We got her DNA done. She's Chinese Shar-Pei, Beagle, and German Short-Haired Pointer. She's a mix. So go ahead. This is a great product. I love that it's got the charging indicator. It's got the green LED light, easy on and off, USB charge on the bottom, and it sits up easy peasy. The heads switch out very straightforward like this. You're gonna love it, folks. All right, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. You're gonna wanna go ahead and pick this up. This is among the best nail clippers on the market. It's a premium brand, and it's doing really good things for pets. And let's face it, a pet is a member of your family. They're important to you and I. So go ahead and get a good kit like this for when you need to trim up and groom them. All right. Go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys for showing up. If your question is, should you pick this up? The answer is heck yes. Adios, amigos.